What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna review a versatile jump starter. So this truck has been sitting because gas is $4.19 a gallon. This truck gets 17 miles to the gallon. So this has been sitting for a while, probably about 2 months. I haven't started it. So let's see if it will start. I don't think it will. Nope. So the battery is dead. So let's take this and let's see if it'll start it. It does say do not jump start if the charge is less than 25%. Press the button. Make sure the voltage is at more than 25%. You have a starter port. Just take this tab, flip it up, and these are slightly different. One end is square, one end is round. So you just match the square end up to the square end and the round end to the round end, like so. Then of course, make sure you know what your positive and your negative is. This is my positive, that is my negative. So let's give it a whim and let's see if it starts. Oh, Bertha. Hopefully the box don't fall. Oh yeah, she started right on up. Alright. That was easy. So now just disconnect the box. Unplug it. Keep up with your stuff, put it in the bag. So it jump started it. The truck has been running about 5 minutes or so. Turn the truck off. Truck starts back up. So I'm going to say that this checks out to jump start. I will have a link in the description. Go get you one. Until next time, peace.